Hello lifestylers, Lushawn. If you just found my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and like, comment, and share with your friends and family. I would appreciate it. So this is a very quick review of Uniquelyshon spring bundle for your budget planners. If you're a decorative planner, which I'm both functional and decorative, I like a little bit of pop to my planner. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so if you've been subscribe to my channel for a while and watching my content, you all know I'm just kind of stuck on Uniquelyshon's budget kit. I love them. She sends those to me on the regular, and I'm very appreciative of her generosity in doing so, and I would still support her regardless. But my way of giving back to her is to showcase what she is providing to me, because she doesn't have to do that, but she does, so I'm appreciative. I have a link below. She's on Etsy and also on Instagram. So the 3-month bundle includes April, May, and June, and here are the beautiful colors. She does gear this towards what I utilize, as far as you can, I'm sure she'll customize for you as well. But she kind of knows what I like, so she sends what how I utilize them. But this is April. It's so pretty. I love it. May is different. She went out on the limb with this one, so I'm really loving that. I like when people think outside the box with the designs, and kind of not make it the same old humdrum match with the with the month, season, or a holiday occasion. So this is quite different, but I love it. And again, it's the same formats, the same functional stickers that I utilize, just with a different design. And then June is super pretty. Loving June. That is so cute. Loving that. Again, I love her juxtaposition with her different color bill-do stickers. She really gives my planner a lot of pop with the color, and how she kind of makes them blend well with her theme. Totally loving those. And then here's the bill-do colors for April. Also in my little package she sent me, I got she's starting now these no spin trackers, and she gave me a little pin as well with the no spins. These are her different little freebies as well. Different scripts that you can use, and I think this is kind of her theme, because she always gives that one on her freebie stickers. And then these are her scripts for her budgets, and these, again, she can customize these for you. She kind of, like I said, she knows how I utilize them, so she kind of sets them for what I need. And then she also gave me an additional budget script of small ones, and it's just this income, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings, and then totals. And that's cool. I can definitely use these in my budget kit, and I will incorporate some of those. But again, you can have it customized, just reach out to her first, and just kind of let her know what it is that you're thinking of, what you want to have for your planner, and I'm sure she will oblige. She's super sweet and super quick. She gets your stuff out to you really fast. So yeah, I think you would definitely be pleased. So yeah, check out Uniquelyshon, and that's how it's spelled, there. And again, like I said, she is on Etsy. She is on Instagram under the same names. You can easily find her, and you'll see all of her products that she offers on her Etsy shop. and also on her Instagram channel. So yeah, so this is what you're going to be seeing from me in the coming months with it, in regards to, at least in regards to my budget kits for the month. Right now I'm still budgeting. I'm still going to do that because I'm still getting gainfully employed, thank God. And from what I see on the horizon, there's nothing changing right now. So I'm going to roll with it until there's time, until I have to tweak it. So yeah, so this is my review and my showcase of Uniquelyshon's spring bundle. So if you're interested, again, it's linked below. And yeah, if you've lasted this long in this little mini review haul, thank you. Until my next one, hugs and love.